Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to complete the chapter reproduction of your biology 10th textbook. Our first topic today is reproduction in rabbit. Male reproductive system is under discussion right now. Question number 1 on this page is, what are the components of male reproductive system of rabbit? The male reproductive system of rabbit consists of a pair of testes that produce sperms. Number 2, the associated ducts that transport sperm to external genitalia. And number 3 is the glands that add secretions to sperms. These are the components of male reproductive system of rabbit. Moving towards the MCQs on this page. Rabbits are used in research as experimental animals. Testes are located in a bag of skin called scrotum that hangs below the body. Next question is, what are the associated ducts in male reproductive system of rabbit? The answer of this question is there. And if we talk about the MCQs on this page, then the first MCQ is, when sperms are mature, they accumulate in the collecting duct of testes. From epididymis, sperms move to a sperm duct called vas deferens. Next, this page contains a very important short question, that is, what is semen? And many of the MCQs may also be collected from this definition. Semen is the material containing sperms in a fluid. It consists of 10% sperms and 90% fluid. This may also be asked in the form of MCQs. Then there is a difference between seminal vesicles, prostate glands and Cooper glands. Regarding their functions, seminal vesicle produce excretions that provide nutrients for sperms. Prostate glands produce secretion that neutralizes the acidity of fluid. And the last MCQ on this page is, Cooper glands produce secretions that lubricate the ducts. This is the function of these glands as well. Student, this is the diagram of male reproductive system of rabbit. If you are asked about the male reproductive system in the long question, then you have to draw this diagram with proper labeling, right? Next topic is female reproductive system of rabbit. What are the components of female reproductive system of rabbit? The female reproductive system of rabbit consists of ovaries and associated ducts. What do you know about the ovaries of female reproductive system of rabbit? Ovaries are small oval organs situated in the abdominal cavity just ventral to kidneys. Like most animals, female rabbits have a pair of ovaries. If we talk about the MCQs, then the first MCQ may be taken from the definition of ovaries. The outer region of ovary produces egg cells. The last MCQ on this page is, from ovaries, egg cells are released in fallopian tubes. And this is the diagram of female reproductive system of rabbit, which includes in the long question, and separately the short question may be asked from this diagram. This is the next part of female reproductive system of rabbit. We will discuss the important MCQ on this page. Fertilization occurs in fallopian tubes and the fertilized egg, that is zygote, is carried to uterus. The uterus horns join and open into vagina or birth canal. Cervix is a portion of uterus which separates it from birth canal where sperms of male are deposited. Students, the definition of cervix is very important regarding board examinations, and it's also an important MCQ. Alright students, these were some of the important MCQs and short questions in the given topics.